At number 1, we have the pH Labs Argan and Keratin Shampoo. The pH Labs shampoo is the best shampoo you can buy on the market and deeply moisturizes hair, leaving it stronger, shinier, and softer. This product is specifically formulated for colored hair, providing essential nourishment and protection. The shampoo's key ingredients are argan oil and keratin, both known for their hair strengthening and moisturizing properties. Argan oil, rich in vitamins and antioxidants, helps to hydrate and soften the hair while protecting it from environmental damage. Keratin, a protein naturally found in hair, works to repair and strengthen the hair shaft, reducing breakage and improving overall hair health. The shampoo has a pH level between 4.5 and 5.5, which is slightly acidic and close to the natural pH of hair and scalp. This helps to maintain the hair's protective layer, preventing moisture loss and preserving color vibrancy. To use, simply apply the shampoo to damp hair, massage thoroughly, and rinse. For best results, a second application may be necessary. The product is designed to be gentle enough for frequent use,